Sheffield has a long and storied history, one that has seen it evolve through many phases. It's known as the Steel City, a title earned through decades of hard work and innovation. The city was famous for producing steel, a material that built nations and fueled industrial revolutions. Think cutlery, tools, and, of course, weapons. But time moves on, and so does Sheffield. Sheffield has had to adapt to the changing times, transforming its industrial landscape. It's now a hub for advanced manufacturing, blending its rich history with cutting-edge technology. One of the biggest changes is the arrival of BAE Systems, a global defense, security and aerospace company. They make some seriously high-tech kit, pushing the boundaries of what's possible in modern engineering. Their new facility in Sheffield is a big deal, marking a significant investment in the city's future. It's going to build the mighty M777 Howitzer. This place is state-of-the-art, equipped with the latest technology. It's 94,000 square feet of pure engineering power, a testament to modern industrial prowess. The new factory will create jobs, offering opportunities for the local community. These aren't your granddad's factory jobs. These are high-skilled positions requiring advanced training and expertise. They need people who can build the best artillery in the world, ensuring top-notch quality and precision. And it's not just about jobs. It's about revitalizing the community and fostering a sense of pride. This is about Britain being a leader in defense, showcasing its capabilities on the global stage. The M777 is in high demand, known for its precision and power in the field. This factory means Britain can supply its allies, strengthening international partnerships and security. So what's all the fuss about this M777? Why is everyone talking about it? In simple terms, it's a big gun, but there's more to it than just its size. But not just any big gun. This one is special. It's designed with unique features that set it apart. It's a 155mm howitzer, which is a significant caliber in the world of artillery. That means it fires 155mm shells, packing a powerful punch with each shot. And it fires them a long way, reaching targets at impressive distances. But here's the clever bit: it's light. This makes it highly maneuverable on the battlefield. Well, light for a howitzer. It's much easier to move compared to other artillery pieces. It can be towed by all sorts of things, making it versatile in various terrains. Helicopters, transport planes, even a sturdy Land Rover Defender if you're desperate. This flexibility is crucial. This mobility is a game changer. It allows for rapid deployment in critical situations. You can get it where it needs to be, fast. Speed is often the difference between success and failure. The M777 is accurate too. Precision is key in modern warfare. It can hit targets with pinpoint accuracy, ensuring minimal collateral damage. This is thanks to its digital fire control system, which enhances targeting efficiency. It's like something out of a computer game, but with real-world impact. This gun is a real force multiplier, significantly boosting the capabilities of any military unit. The M777 has been making headlines in Ukraine. Since the conflict began, it's been a vital tool. The Ukrainian army absolutely loves it. It outranges most of the Russian artillery. This means they can hit the enemy without getting hit back. But war is tough on equipment. The M777S are taking a hammering. They need constant maintenance. Spare parts are like gold dust, and they get through barrels like it's going out of fashion. The Ukrainians are doing their best. They're resourceful. They're even trying to repair them all by themselves. The M777 is a global effort. The Americans designed it with precision and innovation, bringing together the best minds in military technology. The British are building parts for it, ensuring that every component meets the highest standards of quality and reliability. And the Ukrainians are using it to defend their country, showcasing its effectiveness in real combat situations. It's a symbol of international cooperation, uniting nations in a common goal of defense and security. The new factory in Sheffield is a sign of things to come, representing the future of advanced military manufacturing. The demand for these howitzers is only going to increase as more countries recognize their strategic value. BAE Systems is ramping up production to meet this growing demand, ensuring that supply keeps pace with need. They're even using new materials, pushing the boundaries of what's possible in artillery design. Titanium is on the menu, offering a combination of lightness and strength that's unmatched. It's lighter and stronger than steel, making the M777 more mobile and durable. The M777 is a game-changer on the battlefield, providing unmatched firepower and precision, and it's here to stay, continuing to play a crucial role in modern military operations for years to come.